One of my strongest strengths that I am proud to share is the strength of kindness. As described on Wikipedia as a type of behavior marked by acts of generosity, consideration, rendering assistance or concern for others without expecting praise or reward in return. Throughout this course, I plan to use kindness to relate to our topics of discussion as well as bond with my fellow peers. As for my future profession, I would like to use this character strength to guide others by showing them a kind approach to show how they are able to help with various species and environmental habitat conservation for our planet. Depending on my role, I would like to also incorporate kindness into my office environment to create a comfortable open door policy. While kindness is what I feel to be my strongest character strength, I am also strong in honesty and having a love of learning. I have chosen these three character strengths to define me because sometimes being honest is not very easy due to having to break bad news to someone, or perhaps telling a lie may be easier than telling the truth. Throughout my life, I have also used my love of learning to expand my knowledge and learn from my mistakes and better approach daily tasks. Throughout our reading, I feel as though each of my strengths tie themselves together. I was a bit surprised that honesty and courage were my number one ranked strength and virtue. While I am always honest, I was not expecting it to be my highest ranked strength. Other than that, I was not at all surprised since I am very true to myself and the type of person that I would like to be. On a daily basis, I do have to incorporate kindness into my job as a brand recruiting manager at a staffing agency. During my work week, I have to make many decisions of who's going to be able to obtain the position that I'm hiring for, and also call back those candidates that were not selected. Sometimes it is very difficult to let someone know that they are not going to be moving forward with the position that they were interviewing for. Breaking bad news consistently and having to basically tell someone, I didn't choose you, but it's going to be okay, as kindly as possible so they do not angrily return to my office with ill intentions. I feel that going forward with now knowing that I'm strong in these various ways, I'm able to build upon what I am strong in and use them as my biggest assets when it comes to interviewing for future internships and my dream career opportunities, while showing that my love of learning drives all my ambitions while being kind and honest to others.